Welcome to the Unreal Magic Workshop, where my henchman and I are going to show you a very cool trick with a ring and a paperclip. Now this is unbelievable magic, but before we start, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel below so that you don't miss any of the cool tricks that we are going to film just for you guys. You ready? Let's do the trick. Check this out. I have one key ring and I also need a paperclip. So hang on, let me just get a clip out of the box. No, not a giant clip. A paperclip. Just a little, yes, thanks. No, sorry. Just, yeah, okay. Oh. Okay, here we go. So, one ring, one paperclip. Paperclip goes onto my hand like this. I'm going to try and link the two together using magic. So watch real close. 1, 2, 3. Try a little harder. 1, 2, 3. Actually, you know what? Sometimes the secret to the trick is not trying that hard, but just gently rubbing the paperclip, and it links together impossibly, just like magic. Welcome back to the magical secret, the explanation to linking a paperclip to a key ring. Now my henchman is going to show us the ring, and I'm going to show you the paperclip. So, do you actually know how the secret works? You kinda? Ah, yes you do, okay. So check it out, gimme. Get out of here. Okay, this is the secret. You have two paperclips. One is already linked onto the ring. You can do that very simply by bending the paperclip and linking the ring onto it and off. That's very easy. Make sure it's linked on there nice and snug, as it should be, nice and tight. Now my left hand is holding the paperclip like this, hiding the one paperclip away and just showing the ring. The other paperclip is in my right hand, facing like this. Now pretend to link it on like this, which doesn't work, but that's just pretend. When I gently rub the paperclip like this and link the paperclip onto the ring, all I'm doing is I'm dropping the paperclip out of my left hand and raising my fingers on my right hand slowly so that you can't see this one, and it now looks like I'm magnetically pulling up this paperclip. You can give this to someone to have a look at too. Have a look at it, check it out, see? They can inspect it, they can make sure there's nothing fishy about it, and meanwhile secretly you can ditch whatever's in your right hand in your pocket or behind a table like that. It leaves you clean. That's the secret.